Hello everybody. Okay, let us now learn about some laws of exponents which are specifically designed for exponents to make our life simpler and make the calculation also simple. Let us take an example of multiplying 10 raised to power 2 with 10 raised to power 1. So if we expand, it becomes 10 into 10 which is 10 raised to power 2 and 10 which is 10 raised to power 1. So if we multiply and convert back into exponential form, it becomes 10 raised to power 3. So from this example, we can see that the powers are being added. So 10 raised to power 2 into 10 raised to power 1, which is powers are 2 plus 1, becomes 10 raised to power 3. Let us take one more example. 10 raised to power divided by 10 raised to power 2. So here we are again writing in expanded form, and we can see that the answer is 10 raised to power 2. Again here we can see 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So if we divide the numbers with same base, please note the main catch here is the base should remain same. If base is same and we divide two numbers, then the powers are being subtracted. So from these examples we will derive some of the laws. First is, suppose we are multiplying two numbers a raised to power n into a raised to power m. So answer will be a raised to power n plus m, which we have seen from the above example. The powers are being added. If we multiply two exponential numbers, the powers will be multiplied given the base is same. Please note that base should be same. If base is different, we cannot add the power. Now law 2 says that if we divide two exponential numbers a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m, then power is being subtracted and answer will be a raised to power n minus m. Again please note it should be with the same base. So I think from our examples we can correlate and see that law 1 and law 2, no need to memorize it, just see our example and you can find out that if two exponential numbers are being multiplied with same base, then their power gets added. If one exponential number is dividing another exponential number with the same base, the power subtracts. Okay, let us understand about few more laws of exponents. Again start with an example to understand it better. Suppose somebody asked us to write 10 raised to power 3 and then whole raised to power 2. So basically first we are doing 10 raised to power 3 and then again doing a whole numbers raised to power 2. So let us expand only the bracket part, which is 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, now in second step we are just multiplying the bracket number with itself, which is 10 into 10 into 10 is first, into 10 into 10 because of power 2. We have to repeat it twice and multiply. If we see from the given situation that it becomes 10 raised to power 6. So what we see here, now in first step if we see that the power is 10 raised to power 3 raised to power 2. So if we multiply 3 into 2, the answer becomes 6, and in final step we can see that answer is 6. So takes us to law number 3. It says that if numbers power to power is there, then the powers multiplies. For example, a raised to power m whole power n, then we can say a raised to power m into n. So power to power of exponential, the power multiplies. Now let us jump to law 4. What does it say? Suppose there are two rational numbers with the same power, then we can multiply the numerators and we can multiply the denominators separately and can put whole power raised to power n. a by b raised to power n into c by d raised to power n becomes a into c, which are numerators, and b into d, which are denominators, whole raised to power n. So we can bring them into same bracket, or we can bring them together. Now it leads to a really interesting question. What would be the value of a raised to power 0? We know a raised to power 1 is a raised to power 2 is a square, is a into a raised to power 3 is a into. What is a raised to power 0? How do we find out the value of this? Let us do one simple calculation. To bring power 0, we have to divide the number with itself. For example, 10 raised to power divided by 10 raised to power 2, which is 100 by 100. If we divide 100 with 100, answer is 1. Now from the law number 2, we know that if some number, exponential number, divides another exponential number with the same base, power subtracts. So now 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So we can say 10 raised to power 2 divided by 10 raised to power 2 is 10 raised to power 0. So 10 raised to power 0, what was the answer in earlier step? Answer is 1. This holds true for any base. We can take base instead of 10, we can take base any number. It holds true for every number. So in general we can say a raised to power 0 equal to 1, which is law 5 of exponents. Interesting, huh? Okay. Okay guys, so I hope you had a great session and now have better understanding about the laws of exponents. These laws will be utilized in various calculations when we will do in future in different topics, and it will make our life simpler to solve the problems if we use these laws efficiently. Please do some practice at home so you get a better understanding about this topic. Let us meet in next class. Till then, have a great time. See you. Bye bye. We'll meet soon.